Hi everybody, we're looking at the GC futures. We're looking to get short off this range high here. So let me just draw out this risk to reward to show what I'm doing here. So 1-to-1 risk to reward, target down at these lows here. So we're wanting price to back up and fill us here because I don't want to get in on, I don't want to enter too low and expect price to just push out of these lows here. Now, I don't want to, the reason I didn't want to enter short directly on this measured move is because this downtrend had just played out with a break and a push to a new low. Now, when a trend has a break and makes a new extreme, then we can expect a reversal attempt. And so initially, price made these couple legs up here. It's just a couple legs up, and then it didn't get very far. Basically, it just kept price going sideways for a bit, and then we got another set of two legs up. And so again, I didn't want to go short directly on either one of these measured moves. This is also a perfect measured move right here, these two legs up. And I don't want to go short directly on them. I want to wait for confirmation below, but this one ended up closing low, way too low, and then just immediately shot down. So no opportunity to get in here. But here we have these two legs up. It got pretty choppy here, but it's clearly finding resistance and getting back below the range high here. So basically just looking to ride this down to the other side. We've got it close below finally. And yeah, so I'm just going to pause the recording and wait for a fill. And then after I'm filled, I'll unpause the recording and let the trade go by. So I'll see y'all in a bit. All right, everybody. So we just got filled. Just going to set my orders here. And yeah, so now that we're filled, I'm just going to let this trade go by. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all later. All right, and we are out of that trade now. So basically, again, the uptrend had a break, made a couple attempts at a new high that failed, pushed price down. So basically, making a two-legged break for the uptrend, and then price made a couple new attempts at a new high, and it could not. It really just could not get past that measured move level. Couldn't get past this range that started forming. And after it closed back below, we looked to get in here. So, just to ride price down to the lows here, not expecting it to push on out or anything or to reach this measured move. We're just trying to keep price within this range right here. So, just wanted to explain that. Overall price was in this uptrend. We have a break. You can see here price action works on all levels, big picture, small picture. After this uptrend got a break, it started making a new high attempt here that failed, basically making a two-legged break. This second leg is obviously much smaller than this first leg, but it is technically what's going on here. Just as soon as it made that new low, that was enough for it to reverse. So, you know, what I was just explaining as a two-legged break, you have to look at it on every price action level. You zoom in here, you have a full downtrend, break, and two pushes down to a new low, just like how trends typically play out. And so this downtrend played out with a break and two pushes to a new low, and then right at that measured move, price reversed on higher. And this reversal was really just the new high attempt for this uptrend on a bigger picture. So, I just wanted to kind of explain what's going on with the price action and what I'm looking at right here. And yeah, so I just wanted to make this video and hope you enjoyed it. I'll see y'all tomorrow.